everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a cozy and warm, easy fall makeup look that any of you guys can create. Here I'm using my Beige Oasis, Desert Oasis palette from Beige, and it's an amazing palette. Here I'm just putting an eye primer, and I'm going in with the color Canyon, and I am going to start a transition shade, and usually is a brown for me, and that helps me prepare the shadows that I'm going to add on top of what I'm using. Here I'm just using a Morphe brush and I'm just blending it away, making sure to get rid of those hard edges. Then I'm going in with this really beautiful brickstone color from the palette, and this is just going to show you how opaque this palette is, and the shadows blend so nicely on the lids. This is really a nice warm color for the fall. And I'm just blending away, and don't worry about the hard edges and the fallout that you see there. I do clean everything up, but just showing you the quality of these shadows are amazing. So there I go in, blending in, make sure those edges are nice and blended so we don't have no harsh lines. Then I'm taking my Morphe brush M507 and going into Nightscape, and it's like a purpley dark smoky brown color. And I'm going to start blending it from the edges, and this is just going to create that beautiful nighttime or daytime smoky brown eye that you guys will see at the end. And you guys can see how much of a difference adding that color makes. And I'm just blending everything in as well, just making sure everything's nice and smooth. Then I'm going in with Terrain, and I'm going to add it with my finger. This is like a really pretty glowy color, and this is just going to add that sort of ombre effect. Then I'm going in and taking that nice brown color, and with a flat shader brush I'm going under my waterline to create more of a glowy and nicer look. Then I'm going in here quickly with this Morphe brush. This is a clean brush, it's a fluffy brush, and it's just to help me blend everything together so the eyeshadows are nicely cohesive with one another. Then I go back at the bottom, adding that Nightscape to smoke out the bottom lashes. Now this part is completely optional, but I love this to make it more of a glammy look. It makes it look like you took so much time to do your eyes, but really it's just one little extra step that I love to do. You put a little bit of highlight on your brow bone and in your inner duct, and adds a little bit of glow, but it makes a huge difference to the look. Here I'm putting my favorite mascara on, Better Than Sex by Too Faced. And this is the part with all my girls who like to wear lashes, whether you have falsies or you have eyelash extensions. Here you can apply the favorite lashes or your favorite mascara. I don't wear either, so I'm just coating my own lashes here. But look how nice they look with that mascara. And lastly, I'm adding my Anastasia brow pomade in dark brown. And I'm just filling in the little gaps that I do have on my brows, and just make sure they look nice and full. What a difference doing brows can make on a look. And now I'm putting on my favorite lip liner, which is Stripped Down by MAC, and my camera actually here stopped for just a minute, so I use Cool Girl by Too Faced, and here's the completed look. I'm just going to set my makeup, and yeah, I just took a shower, so I was in the process of getting ready, but that's it. Alright guys, so this is my complete look. I went ahead and did my highlighting, contouring a little bit more, and a little bit of blush off camera. And this is the palette that I used in the tutorial. This is by BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis. This is under $25, I believe, or right at that, which is a great deal for a palette like this. The quality is amazing, and I got this one at Ulta, and I'm sure you can find it either on BH Cosmetic website or an Ulta near you. This actually broke. I dropped the palette, sad story, but the colors here are just so beautiful. You get so many shades, you get so many options. I even used the highlight for my highlight on my face, and I've even used it for the inner part of my eyes. So this is a palette that's very, very universal. You can create so many fall looks and so many glam looks as well. This is beautiful. This is something I definitely would recommend for makeup artists as well to have in their kit for their clients, because the colors are just so beautiful. So I definitely recommend this palette. It's definitely one on the more affordable side. BH Cosmetics has such beautiful palettes, and I am a huge fan of their product. This concludes this video. I'm going to try to make definitely some more videos for you, more different fall looks. I was saying earlier, I think in the video, of course, you can always customize the look to your personality, your taste. I like nude lips, but some people are not so much about nude lips. Some people like bold lips for fall, and I will definitely be creating some looks with some bolder lips as well. That way you guys have other options and ideas. Just for me personally, nude lips work the best. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.